Hello everybody. Today we are going to switch over to the topic number 8, cropping system. Now this cropping system is very important for successful crop production. This is also important to get maximum profit from the minimum utilization of inputs. So what is this cropping system? Let us go to the topic. Cropping system is a system, it is defined as a set of elements or components that are interrelated and interacting among themselves. What does it mean? That there are different elements and components, and these components are related with each other, like input and output. Good quality input, they will give good quality output, and different other such things are there. So these are interrelated amongst themselves. So this in this farming system, we have already studied that there are different kinds of enterprises. Which are these enterprises? For example, there is a combination of cropping system, dairying, piggery, poultry, fishery, beekeeping, and many other enterprises we can uh, take along with cultivation of different crops. So we have to select the enterprises which are related to the agriculture. Otherwise, they will not be supplementary to each other. So these enterprises are interrelated, and because of which the end product of one system and wastes of one enterprises are used as inputs in other. For example, from animal husbandry, we get dung, urine of animals, and that is utilized to make manures. So, from the field, we get different fodders, and the fodder can be fed to cattle. So, likewise, this cropping system, the enterprises should be such which are complementary and supplementary to each other. Otherwise, that enterprise may go in loss. Now, let us go to the another factor. Now, in the farming system, what is important in the farming system? That there should be a proper combination of farm enterprises, just we have studied. If there is no proper combination, then the cropping system or the farming system will not be in profit. Now let us go to the definition of cropping system. Cropping system may be defined as the order in which crops are cultivated on a piece of land over a fixed period of time. What does it mean? That here in this case different crops are grown in a particular order. For example, we are growing cotton, jawar, groundnut. Cotton in Kharif season, jawar in Rabi season, and groundnut in summer season. Or suppose we grow jawar, gram, and vegetables. Means jawar in Kharif season, gram in Rabi season, vegetables in summer season. So this is a particular order. So such various orders are available as per the kind of soil, kind of climatic condition, and the type of soil and the other factors. So this is the cropping system. So there should be a particular pattern that should be followed, and that should be suitable for the environment. Socio-economic factors should also be considered. So this is the cropping scheme. But this cropping scheme should at least satisfy the food requirements of the farmer and his family and fodder requirement for his cattle. Means sufficient food should be produced in the farm and sufficient fodder should be produced for the cattle. Otherwise, that cropping system may be considered as a failure. Now, this in this cropping system, how this is measured, how this is considered. Now, this cropping system is a land use unit. It is comprising of soil, crop, weed, pathogens, insect subsystems that transform solar energy, water, nutrients, labor, and other inputs into food, feed, fuel, and fiber. Means this is the unit of land. What is in the soil available? In the soil, there are different pathogens, microorganisms, macroorganisms are available in the soil. They work throughout the year, day and night, and they decompose the organic matter. And then, in this case, out of the particular unit means suppose 1 acre or 1 hectare, what we get, that we get food, fuel, or fiber, and that is the production. So, this cropping system denotes these all things together. Now, let us have a look at the another system. So, this cropping system means nothing but it is there is an interaction with the farm and the resources. Now, we know that in cropping system generally the agricultural year starts or crop year starts in June, July. So that is the Kharif season. Then it is followed by Rabi season, that is in October, November. Then first summer season, that is in January, February, or February, March. So cropping pattern is to be followed in the cropping system. Cropping system is different, cropping pattern is different. Now what is the cropping system? Cropping system is different. Now this cropping pattern means the proportion of area under various crops at the yearly sequence and spatial arrangement of the crops on the given land area. Now for example, we have got 10 acres of land. Now in this 10 acres of land, if we cultivate only one crop in 1 year, that will give 100% use. If we cultivate two crops, means Kharif and Rabi, we get 200% cultivation, and if we cultivate three seasons, means we get 300%.